So hi everyone, Christian Image, naturopath. So you all know that I've been working in this field like as a naturopathic doctor for more than like 35 years. If you're like watching this video now, it means that you have seen like the first one when I was talking about like the first kit. So the first kit is about like keeping the body clean. I just want to say something like very quick about that. Like, don't forget, your body is the expression of like the intelligence, like the living intelligence. Your body is completely alive. Your body has like 80 trillion cells. All of those cells are like alive. They're like living, and you know, they're bathing in fluids. Your body is like 2/3 fluid. You're more liquid than solid, 78% of water. Cells are alive, okay? So they're bathing in your fluids. And in order for the cells to feel good, they need to bathe in clean fluids. So that's the reason why you need to go with the first kit. The first kit is about cleansing. It's called a detox kit. So nature, the intelligence, has designed herbs, like for millions of years, to help the body stay clean. That's why you have 4 channels of elimination. You have the bowels, the kidneys, the skin, and the lungs. So after doing like the 21 days of the detox, you know, your body is much cleaner. So when your body is much cleaner, what you should have experienced already is like feeling lighter and feeling more energized, that's for sure. So as soon as your body fluids are becoming cleaner, because your bowels and your kidneys are doing a better job, because you've been eating like more fruits and vegetables, and because you've been taking like this cleansing drink for 21 days, which are made like of amazing herbs. And our herbs are like top quality, organically grown, well crafted. Don't forget, I'm always looking for the best herbs like in the world. So now you need to go on the second thing, you know, and you need to go on the second like kind of like, you know, like step in order for your body to start like getting better and better and better. And don't forget that your body has been designed to be able like to heal, repair, and regenerate by itself. But the conditions for you like to make this happen is that your body needs to be clean inside. That's exactly why you've been starting with the detox kit. And then you need to start feeding the body with amazing nutrition, you know? So you go with the fruits and vegetables always, like throughout the process of the 3 kits, you need to be like on more fruits and more vegetables. You need to eat like more living food. And then you need to go on the second step, which is called, the Revive kit. So revive, the word says it, to revive your body. So you continue to eat the right food, but then you go with like herbal combinations that have been designed, that I've been using for 35 years in my clinic with great success, to start feeding your cells with like very, very specific nutrition and very high quality nutrition to make sure that the cells are going to start getting everything that they need. So for the cells to be able like to do their work. So everything is about the cell. When the cell feels good, you feel good. And the cells are feeling good when they're well fed and when they're bathing in an environment that is clean. And you're already there. You've been like doing like this kit about the detox. Now we're doing like the feeding. So now that the body is like much cleaner, we start to feed. Okay, so the first one is Regen. So Regen is an amazing product. Like it's a combination of like superfood from the earth and superfood from the sea. It's just like giving you all the vitamins, all the minerals, all the antioxidants, all of the phytonutrients. Phytonutrients are nutrients coming from herbs. They're not in the fruits and vegetables that we eat. They're in the herbs. Herbs are amazing. They've been designed like for millions of years to feed living creatures like us to thrive, to feel better, to just get better and better and stronger. So it's a powder. You mix it like in the water, like good quality water. And then you go with Enduro. Enduro is the same thing. It's a liquid herbal extract, very high quality. It's not standardized, meaning that all of the components, all of the phytonutrients, all of the nutrients are in the liquid. We haven't like isolated something. You know, like in the beginning of my practice, like 35 years ago, I was using some supplements like vitamin A, vitamin B, you know, like minerals, lab-made, man-made, you know, like, and I was getting like some good, like some results, but not the best. But the reason why I was getting like anyway good results is because I was like always pushing, eating like fruits and vegetables, eating like more living foods. We are a living creature, we're alive, we need to eat living food. But then I started using the herbs. Herbs are the expression of the living intelligence. They've been designed for millions of years to feed us so that we thrive and we get better and stronger. But don't forget, this nature that surrounds us is intelligent, so it evolves. So the herbs are the same thing. Through all the things that have been going like for millions of years on this planet, they've been getting better and better, stronger, evolving. So we are living in a power evolved universe. So as the herbs, we are evolving, and the herbs are making your body able to adapt to this environment and to evolve. So herbs are absolutely amazing. They're conscious, they're extremely highly evolved, and when you take herbs, it's consciousness of nature meeting the consciousness of your herbs, working together to make your body able to do its task, repair, regenerate, and heal by itself. So Enduro is the best herbs combined together. Again, been using it like for 30 years about, you know, like, and it's just like feeds your body like with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, okay, that we don't get like in the vitamins, in the fruits and vegetables. And it just like builds your glands. It makes your body being able to cope with the stress, to cope with the pollution. You know, like it's a bunch of herbs that are known as like protectors. They're making the body able like to protect by itself. They boost your immune system. They feed all of the cells inside of your body. An amazing product coming from nature, made with the best herbs. Then you have another one called Recharge. So Recharge is the same thing. It's been like, it's herbs like combined together, very high quality, liquid form, very well made, extremely high in nutrients, phytonutrients, because it's coming from herbs. Herbs are growing like cucumbers and tomatoes. So I want you to understand that herbs are food, but they're like superfood. So this combination like of the three products, the Regen, the Enduro, and the Recharge, is just like a powerhouse of like phytonutrients, of energy. And the reason why I like the two of them, like you have three products, but the two of them are in liquid form, is to make sure that it goes into your blood as fast as possible. And then when it goes into the inside of the blood, then the blood is just going to bring them like to the 8 trillion cells, and then the cells are going to start like getting amazing nutrients. Okay, so like I said, don't forget, always like eating like more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are extremely alkalizing. They're going to make your body alkaline. Now that you've done like this detox kit, you're much cleaner than before. So you're going to start absorbing all of the nutrients that you find like in these like 3 amazing products. And then you're just going to start feeling it. You're just going to start feeling that your body is just getting better, stronger, sleeping better, waking up feeling better, more happy. Why? Because your body inside is cleaner. And now your cells are bathing in a clean environment. And now they're getting all the nutrition that they need. You know, like all nutrients that they never had in the past, so that they can start like rebuilding, regenerating, and doing their task, so that the body can your body can get like the best of health, the best of its vitality. So thank you very much. Keep on doing your thing. This is the second kit for another 21 days. 21 days, I think. Yeah, 21 days. I just wanted to make sure. And just don't forget to go on limage.health if you want to get like more information. Don't forget that you need to understand the way your body has been designed. The more you know, like you're just going to get better, because we need to understand, you need to understand what you're doing. And like if you go on my YouTube channel, you're going to see like videos about me, like explaining to you, supporting you, inspiring you in your journey to get better and to get more vitality. Thank you very much and have a good day.